Ang 10 lessons mula sa librong ito, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Lesson number 1, Importance of Financial Education. Kasi ito ang magiging pundasyon ng lahat ng financial decisions mo. Lesson number 2, Save the Right Way. Use the formula 10-20-70. Bago mo gastusin yung sweldo mo or yung kinikita mo sa kung ano-ano, magtabi ka muna para sa savings and investments mo. Lesson number 3, Understand how money works. Ang pera kapag ginamit mo ng tama, magiging kaibigan mo. Pwede ka nitong mahalin pabalik. Pero kapag hindi mo alam paano ito i-manage, magiging kalaban mo ito o kaaway mo. Lesson number 4, time is money. Sabi dito sa book na to, the sooner you save, the better for your future. Procrastination is the enemy of savings. When people are young, they delay saving because they think they have a lot of time. Lesson number 5, build a strong financial foundation. Ito yung magsisilbing blueprint mo para ma-achieve mo yung financial goals mo. Lesson number 6, get rich slowly. Iwasan mo yung mga get rich quick scheme. Lesson number 7, the magic of compound interest. Lesson number 8, save and invest regularly. Mag-set ka ng routine kada sweldo. May mapupunta sa investments. Lesson number 9, be your own financial educator. Sa IMG ko natutunan ang tamang pag-build ng financial foundation. Kaya kung gusto mo rin itong matutunan, comment #ipon below para mabigyan kita ng access sa aming free webinar.